What are pen testing tools? So you've probably heard of pen testing, but what actually are pen testing tools? Well, they're basically tools used by pen testers to perform a penetration test, which is basically a simulated cyber attack against a computer system or network. The purpose of these tests is to find vulnerabilities that could be exploited by real attackers. And the tools that pen testers use can vary depending on their experience level and the type of testing that needs to be done. Some common tools include things like Nmap for scanning ports and identifying open services on a target machine, Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities and gaining access to systems, and Burp suite for attacking web applications. Other tools that are used less frequently include things like Wi-Fi analyzers for attacking wireless networks and social engineering tools for fooling people into giving up their passwords. No matter what tools they use, pen testers are all trying to do the same thing: identify vulnerabilities so that organizations can fix them before real attackers do.